Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. When I'm not here like Vybz, Kartel, Spragga, or Jashi, you have to understand that these people, they are the ones that are contributing to the crime and killing in Jamaica in some way or the other, some form. These are not role models. That's people that you should look up to. A man like Spragga because him wear a turban. When I was growing up, a man like Spragga would be a role model for other youths. But youths want to be Rasta, just like in the 90s with Sizzler. Yes, yes. But now, turban means a boy, turban. But I don't know, you can't say I really like termite hand for them. Yeah, you don't know. Yeah, because termite has something with heat, like I must say termite, them having a kind of eat out their brain. Because them, nothing good. Them art, only towards the people that them love. And everybody wants to control people. And all of these men want people to fear them. So I don't know if any of you are, out there in the field, on the street or in the streets of Jamaica, knew that Vybz Kartel was extortion the DJ Jashi. Yeah, until Spragga became his protector, causing Vybz Kartel to back off. Those of you who knew, you knew that before, and those of you who didn't know, now you knowing. Now you know. So when you had seen Jashi in videos and photograph in the presence and company of Spragga, remember that Spragga is not from up that side, it's Dunkirk. It was because he was being extorted by Vybz Kartel from prison. Yes, and there's another artist that Vybz Kartel even extort, and trust me, you want to hear the big man Oima cry. Big bad man, you'll get that. You understand shortly. So, do you remember seeing Jashi, whose real name is Moleke Tafari Clark, in the company of Carlton, Errington, Spragga, Grant, in videos and photos, after it was rumored that he was responsible for the killing of a man from his community in Grandspen, Kingston 8. So if you don't remember, you can look it up, you'll see it for yourself. Jashi, a dancehall artist, was also a victim of extortion by none other than a DJ Vybz Kartel Palmer, even from prison. So even although this man was is in prison, him still this man now turned him life of criminality to a different level where he's extorting artists now. Artists have to pay him dues. I saw him feel now, say my God, so he make create even more enemies than himself. Vybz Kartel. Yeah, so you understand. And it's just sad. So Vybz Kartel, who has positioned himself as a big time dan and gangster, has been extorting for the dancehall artist. And even made one of Jamaica's most famous bad boy cry like a baby. A story you will hear more about later on this channel. So we'll let you hear about it. So Jashi has already been targeted once, clearly indicated that he's at risk. He needs to be vigilant and not to take his safety for granted. And like Beanie Man, he doesn't have the same level of protection. And if he continues to sing about violence, he risks being targeted by those who threatened or angered by his lyrics. So you have to understand that when these guys do music, nobody thinks that the music are just music. It's art imitating life. So them I tell you how them live them life in their music. So when you think you listen to their music, you listen to them live. Even in a Spragga Benz, some of Spragga Benz music. And if I'm in America with Spragga Benz, they would use all them lyrics there and yeah man, charge him and he would get convicted in a court. Cause so for them system work, For them system, especially when you're black hair, them not play man, them send it go straight to workhouse rasta. Yeah, and when you go to prison in America, you work. Yeah, them use your own lyrics, cause them tell you say, see here, this is what man, this is, and then them put one and one together. American justice system is different than ours in Jamaica. In which in Jamaica you can get away with a lot of things, many crimes. In America, that chance, especially as a black man, that is not afforded to you. Like how we see Tommy Lee walk out with the double murder, no double murder, 2 counts of murder. The police arrest and charge him with the gun that killed Rifle and one of the British. And then the guy from the X6 case, the same gun, killed 2 people up in Allegany. But you don't see that in the media. When I ask I tell you. So any reporter who can dig, you can contact the police forensic lab. The same gun, the X6 gun that killed the youth from Kingston College, the same gun killed 2 young youth up by Allegany. So the son that the X6 man, theme son that so 3 murder that, triple murder from that they gun, 3 murder. One was a double and a single. And the police them not charge a man for it. Although the evidence is there. Because them say, boy, you never did see and this and that. I don't know how for them system when that are circumstantial and scientific evidence that cannot be disputed. But I just, Jamaica is a weird place. So it is crucial to remember that Beanie Man has never been convicted of any crime related to Bogle's death. As we tell you already, say, Jashi have the same level of protection like Beanie Man. But Beanie Man always maintained his innocence, saying that no evidence suggests that he was involved in police investigation. As a particular detective inspector called Dr. Omar David the night that Bogle was killed and the cover-ups began for Beanie Man before he was whisked off to Danai Williams' home. However persistent, not only rumors, but we have eyewitness. We have people who was there when Beanie Man was planning the death of Bogle, and you will hear that, as we say, anytime if you read 50,000, you will hear it. You understand? However, you'll hear that, as we said to you before. So persistent rumor could put Jashi at risk if he continues singing about violence, because when they sing them song about violence, they might tell you what they're doing. So Jashi should reconsider the message in his music. There are many other ways to express oneself without resorting to violent themes. He has the platform to promote peace and understanding instead of conflict. And he has the platform where he can change the trajectory and start sing righteousness because of his action. Him last even him run him brother up a grand spend. And even parents now have to hide. Because of the days gone by when a man, when you can kill somebody and the family suck it up, or the man friend suck it up, them days they finish. Because man I say, oh, no man no bigger than a man. And I like back in the days where a man afraid of a man because the money are done. No, them thing they done. The money in them thing there. So the latest development have shown that Jashi is reportedly marked for death after the killing of a man from his community in Grand Spend, Kingston 8. The situation remains tense even to this day, with the deceased man's brother Pokey vowing to ensure Jashi pay for his brother's death. So despite Spragga's Ben's support for Jashi, it was not enough to protect Jashi's brother and in the long run. So Jashi is one of those Jamaican artists who has long embraced and preached about violence in his music. He even declared an entertainment report with Anthony Miller. Say, if I know that one of my friends wants to kill me, I will kill him myself. Showcases his dangerous mindset. So the Kartel'S Spring police, them have video footage of the killers running away from the scene, and they are waiting to release the faces to the public to help solve the murder case, which Jashi is suspected of ordering. Alright, so a man grew up and him and your mother have some argument, and it is alleged say him throw water on your mother, which is really, really rude, and but boy, you kill, and that's disrespect that, and that warrant for you to order them for kill him. Boy, that is so sad still, you understand that how we don't value people life. Yeah, I just say it go. So 6 people from Jashi entourage were shot and injured on Kartel'S Spring Road in St. Andrew one early Friday morning. So the police report that Jashi managed to escape without injury. The attack's motive is rumored to be the revenge for the killing of Romy, the brother of the Don from Granspin, who is also Jashi's god brother. So Jashi killed him own god brother. How you do that? Because them said man Romy, him not really have all them screws them together. You know them kind of people that them schizophrenic. Yeah, this minute them nice and the next minute them just out of it. So you understand, and there was some argument between she and Jashi mother and this man, and him throw water upon her and him said, man, so if you this my mother. But I kind of understand the part there, man, this your mother, but I don't know. That never happened to me still, where nobody throw no water for my mother and them things. So I don't know how mother react still, but I don't think mother really go that far. But hey, you just might never know. So when someone indulges in singing about killing others and his name in the killing, their life will be in danger because people will want to get even. This seems to be the case with Jashi's recent shooting. So all of them things, them said the shooting, it have nothing. It has nothing to do with the killing of Jashi. It's just that Vybz Kartel now send film going them. That was before Jashi now start come out publicly now with Spragga Benz. That was a message them are sent to Vybz Kartel in a prison. So it is dangerous. It is a dangerous path to sing about violence merely if associated with actual killings. Violence is never the answer. If you have a problem with someone, there are better ways to resolve it than through violence. Jashi's music, which boasts about killing others, can normalize violence and make it seem like a standard way to resolve conflicts. This type of music can inspire others to commit violence, especially when they are angry or upset. So you have to just learn to control the temper. Hey, look here, sometimes people do some things and because if you lose it, but you have to think. Jamaican have this thing where them act, then them think after. May I tell you? Alright, is it like may I give you like a scenario and them thing where when me tell you about witness people act, then them think. So you have this brother now where we not cadet together and him graduate. Even may I tell you, although he was older than I a few months, we were cadets. I mean, literally have to hold this man and as a 18-year-old and mashing for graduate, and him lose the work before him reach 20. Because it's like him just act, then him think. A brother named Dave Walters, we call him Bag of Dirt. We not cadet together and him think. Yeah. So most of the times it's like when things happen. After it happened, I said, boy, it's like him want to say him don't know what cause him to do it, because him can't control himself. So them things they say them because of chemical imbalance and all of these things and ego. But if you love yourself and respect yourself, you control yourself. You understand? So that's how me show you say. So most him work out police, soldier, correction service, fire brigade. Because in Jamaica, whether or not you want to believe it, like in America, you saw a systems there. In Jamaica, if you lose a job as a police officer, you can't get a job in the army, unless people get in still, but they have to lie. But in time them find out, they will kick you out. Sometime after a while, they will just make you stay still. So him did even pass after him get kicked out of the police force, him join the army, lose the work, because through him to get dismissed from the force. So everything intertwined. So as them I tell you, and them I say, you know what, we believe in our redemption. If a man lose work in our police work, him could have supposed to can serve in our army down in Jamaica, but no, them not do that on him thing there. And I like in America where a man can lose the work somewhere and him can get the job. Even he lose the work as a police officer in any federal organization, and him can still join the military although him lose the work, because it all depends on how him get dismissed and him thing there. But if you can't get the security clearance, that's a total different thing. You know, like you did have a guy in California, he was police and he did in the Navy, and him have top secret clearance and he was police and then he become reserve in the Navy, and he have some problem with LAPD, one black brother and him thing, and him name Christopher. I don't want to say him wrong name, but Dana, a black man, and him killed about 5 police in LA a couple years ago, and him just say a police him a kill, and police kill him by burning down a house with him in a mountain. And the reason why them caught him, because him say him not kill no civilian, and just pay police him a kill. All of the people them were doing him wrong. Him just lay away them, because him have a training, sharpshooter, marksman, everything. Yeah man, and I just saw it go on him thing there. Christopher Darner him name. And you know, him did have a manifesto on him thing there. And most police that work at LAPD, you know, Spanish and black, them say everything that you were saying in it was true, but you know, them have to do it. And you know, them have to do it anonymous. Them can come out and kind of say racism and all kind of things. So sometimes some people, you will do some things and it just tip them off and cause them to go AY. You understand? That's why we believe in a justice. You know, justice is blind. You treat people just like how you want to be treated. I know everybody you can do things and you just get away with it. That's why I tell you, so the days gone by where a man where him had done, claim say him a man had done, and people in the community are people afraid of them. Them days, you know, you understand? And that guy can't back then, you know, even though, you know, done, and like him have him gun upon him 24/7, you know, because he gone illegal. Police catch you with it, you go to prison, or them send it to your departure lounge. It all depends on the circumstances when they hold you. So when you kill people, 9 out of 10 times them have them gun upon them. I don't know how a man enjoy that kind of life. Why you feel so that life is something that you gravitate to? Because I any idea, I did I go dead. Because you're 9 out of 10 times, look upon all the police detective Thomas. You understand? Mario Thomas, and you know, him know a different thing. I said him get, boy, man, I tell you. So anyway, yeah, some people like, boy, you like talk about other things. We just give some context and example about some things. So it's like having a personal conversation. We are not arguing robots. No, we are real people. So Jashi now faces the same violence he has been singing about. And this is a reminder that violence can have severe or serious consequences for everyone involved. Jashi should use his platform to promote peace and understanding instead of violence. We are telling him. So it is unfortunate that, you know, Jashi, he won't be able to have to get police protection due to his past statements about the police. So this situation highlights the failure of the justice system to protect those at risk. Violence is never the answer, and the police should protect people, not target them. But you know, I saw it going at Jamaica and them thing there. You know. So when considering everything what has happened, Jashi is merely surrounded, you know, and around Spragga to send a subliminal message to Vybz Kartel in prison. Jashi was warned that if another extortion attempt were made, Kartel'S family, including his children and Shorty, would pay for his actions and threat. Since this message was relayed, there is no further extortion from Vybz Kartel to Jashi. So when people are going to talk, say, so boy, Vybz Kartel afraid of Spragga. Well, here it is. This, you understand, this is a recent thing, this. So this situation underscore why Jamaica is often seen as a criminal's paradise, with a justice system as corrupt as the rest of the world. Jashi needs to take his opportunity to change his ways and use his influence for good, helping to heal a nation plagued by violence. But you have to understand it's a art and art beat a Jamaican. Yeah, everything how much dopey you can make. No man no want to say Boy, how much people him save. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we all about saving people. So remember, you know, that when him try to kill Jashi, that was before him start spar with Spragga Benz. And after that, when them do that now, I saw you see my Spragga Benz come out. And you see Spragga Benz in him turban and video, you know, with the man Spragga Benz. Yes. So a Spragga Benz, him had the linchpin in the dancehall arena when he come on to according to them gangster lifestyle. So them have a certain level of fear for Spragga Benz. So they make nobody fool you. If you notice, since that attack on Spragga Benz, upon Jashi, you don't see it again. Because through him there on Spragga Benz. Total different thing. And him still go about him way, still do him show them and all of these things. You understand? So I just saw it go. So when someone, you know, indulge in violence, all they get is just violence. Because what I feel say when you arm people, you know, people are going to love you, people are going to want to hurt you back. So I just saw it go. So there are many ways. So, you know, so for Jashi's safety and well-being of his community, he must take the opportunity and stop perpetuating violence through his music. Do some good music and them things. Change on their life. But hey, we don't even know if Rome family are going to forgive him, although them kill one of Jashi brother and them say it doesn't have anything to do with Rome's death. So you see, because of Jashi, one man was his brother lost his life and then and another man. So you see, the days behind are behind us in a way. A man say my done. People not afraid of people. And I like how black man did live in a Jones Avenue or like a dirt lane and them thing there. And you understand? For literally for you reach him, you have to go drag because him now left out so that's a film enclave. You understand? For you reach him, you have to go inside there. You can't just go in there like that unless you're a police or a soldier in a marked vehicle. So that's why gunmen were able to dress like police and kill him and kill black man brother. But black man to this date we tell you say a police killing brother, but and a police killing brother. But anyway, we'll continue the journey. So anytime you stay and you have problem, you know, there are many ways, you know, how you can resolve your problem, and it's called communication. You know, forget upset. No man no bigger than a man. Ego is weak. If you feel say somebody say something that hurt you, that means say you're a girl. You don't want to be like, you know, men baby and them thing. Now a man say something, alright, it's just simple. You don't have to tell a man say I'll kill him or you want to kill him, man. You just say him say, boy, I just love you now. Me love you. And a man feel say if you tell the next man say him love him, boy, I'm a real admiral. And that's how it goes. If you love yourself, you're gonna love other people. You're gonna love a man and a woman. Whether or not you're related to them or not. You can't just love just you and your family or people in your intimate zone. You have to love, you have to see people as people. And once you can extend that love, then we have a better world. But when people just being selfish and want people to be afraid of them, I don't want, hey, as me, I don't want nobody afraid of me. I want people to love me. When I want people afraid of you and them things, that's how the problem coming. Because people were afraid of you, yeah, eventually they might want to kill you. Because, yeah, no man don't want to afraid of no man. So that's how I like you play God. Because remember, you know, of all of the entity that they went to, God, you're supposed to afraid of God. Because God is omnipresent and omniscient. So you have to just love God. So I just saw that. So it's crucial to remember that violence is never the answer. Never. So, you know, so if you're angry or upset, you must talk to someone you trust about your feelings. And you have many ways. Because we have friends and, you know, yeah, and it's good. There are so many ways that many resources are available to help people healthily deal with anger and violence. Jamaican people are all very angry, miserable and cross. You know, so it's just your mindset. So Jashi should reconsider the message in his music. There are many ways to express himself without resorting to violence. He needs to change a way about him. Because violence is not the solution. Remember, you know, the most important thing is love. You understand? So you know that Kartel hasn't extra Jashi ever again, because Spragga came into the mix, and Spragga is like Jashi's big brother. So if you don't understand the subliminal message that they have sent, showing unity, and you notice Jashi don't have no problem anymore. You notice, you're no shooting, nobody want, and like people don't want to kill him still, but because he align himself with Spragga. Tell you already, say Spragga, I know you're ordinary Rasta. Don't watch your turban. You understand? Don't watch your turban. Remember, hey, if you're a man, then the thousands of miles away, and 3 people dead at his base, And you understand what I'm saying? And it is rumored that at the time in time them kill Stumpy thought he was going to collect money, $2.5 million, so that Spragga could have come back in the community. But guess what? One man that was in our shop, entering the men them enter the shop. You understand? But enter the shop before them kill Stumpy. Him walk out. That's the man who make the phone call. Yeah, man. Him, I'm not lucky, him lucky. Him a part of it. I say it going on. He's a part of it and them thing. Why? You think say Spragga them man, them could have known, say, boy, all of them man they inside there. No, that's how it work. So nobody feel like say Spragga are ordinary Rasta. There's an ex-Rasta when you loot and fire. Yeah, man. Loot and fire from Spanish Town. Part of a Klansman gang. Only not even know nothing yet and them thing there. Both them man there. So, we are telling say, we are expose the people them and them thing, make the Jamaican people see who they are. So if you're not proud that way you do and them thing there, too bad in a virgin, you have to change your life. But look, once you indulge yourself in a crime and killing a people, eventually it will come to light. So the intertwining of music, crime and corruption is deeply rooted in Jamaica, creating an environment where fear and violence thrive. The influence and intimidation wielded by Spragga and Vybz Kartel exemplify the power struggles that pervade the nation. Whether or not Vybz Kartel want to believe, although him link with all kind of people and them thing there, the difference with him with Vybz Kartel and Spragga Vybz Kartel have a little ticky, like the shop done them and all them people there all over. The difference is that Spragga logistics is totally different. Him no use them little known people, people them were under the radar and where they're more ruthless. You understand? Yeah, because all country blacks, the brother were one of them were go for kill Corretad. All him a Westmoreland, him end up and I don't let him get him, you understand, him meet a rich man and feel like, alright, retire. No, you know, work like that. There's no retirement for bad man. Straight to departure long. Courtesy of Spragga. Yeah. So for Jamaica to heal and progress, it is crucial to address these systemic issues and work towards a society where justice is fair and corruption is eradicated. That's I only think that we can pray for. Hard to get out of people, them, I'll even the police. Because I just saw, whether or not you want to believe, we as Jamaican, some of us are lucky, we're lucky, we have been nurtured, cultured, domesticated by the system to be criminal-minded people. Whether or not you want to believe it. Although them tell us about informer for dead, I understand that is something with them putting away as people. Some of us, it's good that we were able to read it, didn't let it cement in us. While some are just part of it, just like breathing. You understand? So until then, the cycle of violence and intimidation will continue to plague the country, making it difficult for genuine peace and prosperity to take root. And that's where we're at in Jamaica. Jamaica is just one sad place right now. And, so those who think that, that black man, them never fear Spragga. No, you will see, we are to show you the evidence that the message that them sent to Kartel in a prison for show him. So when you see Spragga and Jashi together, but I feel say it was like some photo, it was just a photo app that was sending a subliminal message. and them just back off. Vybz Kartel, yeah man. Extortion next, a young DJ. What kind of man that? And him in a prison. So we see what how this play out after. Just hope yeah, we can tell you this, whether or not you want to believe it or them thing there. Yeah man. Vybz Kartel baby mother, Shawty, yeah man, Shawty in America, she there on Chalice. Yeah man, boy, hey, Vybz Kartel supposed to feel it, you know. Yeah man, she there on Chalice. Yeah man, she there on Chalice Kartel. Boy, she get it up big time. You know, I get nothing, you know. Boy, I don't know where I go to Chalice, because Chalice have money, and I'm a big druggist and them thing there. Yeah. I will pray for her to say the people them change. We have to start love each other. Without love, we are nothing. Stop see ourselves as, boy, I'm not like the money or this or that. We're all black people. We have to love each other. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out.